Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video.
Didn't know that love could change ya, and I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew, but when I was no debating.
So if you guys have checked out my recent upload, I traveled to St. Bart's and I told you guys all about luxury shopping in St. Bart's. So if you guys did not see that video, I'll link it up above so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a luxury haul slash unboxing of one of the items that I picked up while in St. Bart's. So if you guys are interested in seeing what your girl picked up from Dior, then go ahead and keep on watching. But before we get started, before we get into the unboxing and the details and all of that, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the red subscribe button and join the family. It's almost my birthday, so give your girl an early birthday gift by just subscribing. It's free. You earn good luck for the rest of your life and you're just constantly provided with good vibes, with good energy. So just go ahead and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, I wanted to give you guys some details on today's look. So my hair, I just took my cornrows out, so this is basically a braid out on, I guess you could say, semi blow dried hair. My earrings are coming from Mango. I purchased them a while ago, so they're no longer available. My glow and the moisture of my skin is sponsored by Musu Beauty, so make sure you guys shop my sis brand, Musu Beauty. Black owned, woman owned, Islam owned brand, so I will have a link down below. I have only milk and honey body butter and my skin feels so freaking good. My bodysuit is from Zara. It's old, so it's no longer available, but I'll try to link something similar down below. So that is today's look. Now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So when I was in St. Bart's, I told you guys I went to Dior and I made a purchase, and at first I felt bad about it, but now that I'm looking back at it, I don't regret it at all. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. I actually purchased 2 items from Dior, so let me show you guys. I did an unboxing on this bag when I first brought it home, so I'll go ahead and insert those clips here so you guys can see a nice aesthetic view of me unboxing this item. So I still have her in the box, okay? I still have her in the box because she needs to be safe. She needs to be secure at all times. As a refresher, this is what I picked up. I finally purchased my first Dior saddle bag. This was definitely like an early birthday gift to myself because spending this much money in this economy, being a homeowner, I was like, girl, what is you doing? But I told y'all I don't feel bad about it. So I purchased this bag, and then I also purchased a scarf to wrap around the handle of the bag, which we're gonna get into a little later. I wanted to give you guys some details on the items that I purchased. So I have my receipt here. So I spent a lot of money, okay? I spent a lot of money. The scarf was 215 euros and the bag was 3,500 euros. 3,500 euros. Like, this may honestly be like my most expensive bag in my luxury collection right now, because besides this, my Celine bag was like 3,200, I want to say. But whew, girl, when I bought this, I was just like, this bag needs to be safe. Like, no one needs to come close to this bag. This bag is not touching the floor. Like, she is going to be treated like a queen, nothing less. Not even princess treatment, queen treatment only. I wanted to give you guys some details on my new baby girl. Also, we need to find a name for her, so comment and let me know some suggestions. But I name all of my wigs, I name all of my bags, I name everything, okay? So we need to find a name for her. So comment and let me know your suggestions. But I did want to give you guys some details on this bag. So this is the mini saddle bag with strap, and this is the latte grain calf skin. So I'll zoom in so you guys can get a texture shot. But it is calf skin, and it also comes with a crossbody strap, which I love. So I can wear her as like a crossbody bag, or I can wear her as a top handle bag. If I'm not wearing her as a crossbody bag, I will go ahead and take the strap off just because I don't want it to get dirty. So this is the mini calf skin Dior saddle bag. This is the latte calf skin. She is small, but I tried the size up, and the size up was just like an awkward size for me because it was like too big to give like crossbody. I'm a short girl. I am 5'3", and I'm also very, you know, petite. So I just felt like the bag was just too much on me. I felt like this size fit me perfectly. This bag does have a magnetic closure, so no strap, no button. It just has a magnetic strip on this detail on the bag right here. So when you close it, boom. It has the signature CD on the strap of the top handle portion. Absolutely love. This crossbody strap is also adjustable, which I love. So, you know, if you're a taller girl or a shorter girl, shorter torso, longer torso, whatever the case is, you can go ahead and adjust the strap because it does have an adjustable feature, which I absolutely love. This bag also has a back pocket. So if I like want to slip my Metro card in here real quick, or my debit card or ID for like quick access, it does have a back pocket so that I can go ahead and store thin things in here real quick. I wouldn't put like my phone back here because we don't need to stretch her out. No honey. So it's giving reserve for an ID, a debit card, or just something that I want to reach for real quick, real fast, and in a hurry. So those are some details on this bag. I also wanted to point out that this is a top handle strap, okay? I cannot put her on my shoulder because this looks dumb, okay? This looks stupid, and I'm not trying to be out here in the streets looking crazy. So it gives top handle and it gives crossbody. I did want to point that out because if you want like this to be a shoulder bag, definitely go up a size. The mini is not going to give shoulder strap. It's not going to give put it on your shoulder. This looks stupid. Don't do it. Don't let me catch you doing that. And this bag does retail for $3,700 right now. The reason why I didn't feel guilty about getting this bag is because the price of this bag keeps going up each and every year, and I'm just like, I know I'm eventually gonna get the bag, so I might as well get the bag now that I have the money to get the bag. And I'm also getting a deal because since I bought this in St. Bart's, I did not pay any tax on this item. So as I mentioned, if you guys want more details on luxury shopping in St. Bart's, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my St. Bart's travel vlog. I will have it linked down below. But next up, I wanted to get into what can realistically fit into this bag. So let's go ahead and try to pop some things in so you guys can get a sense of how much space you get inside a mini Dior saddle bag. So let's go ahead and pop some essentials in. Just so you guys can see, this is how the interior of the bag is structured. So it doesn't have much space because the inside of the bag follows like the shape of the saddle bag. So I have a iPhone 12. So I have an iPhone 12, and to be honest, my phone can barely fit in the bag. And I'm not mad about this. Some people may be like, why would you get a bag that your phone can't fit in? And that's perfectly fine for you, but my phone is never in my bag. Guess why? My phone is in my hand at all times in case of an emergency. I can click on the side 5 times and the popo can be on their way to me just in case, God forbid, anything happens. So ladies, I would say depending on where you are, you know, use your judgment. But my phone is in my hand majority of the times. It's barely in my bag, so I don't plan on fitting my phone in this bag because my phone is never in my bag. So moving along, I have my debit cards and my ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in. I honestly need to get another card case. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I lost my freaking Louis Vuitton card case like 2 summers ago, and I never repurchased another card case. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering what to get me for my birthday, I would really love and appreciate a new card case. Always have to have lip gloss on you. Always have to have lip moisturizer on you. So this has been one of my favorites. This is a Dior lip oil, and you know, sister, cousin, fam. This is a Dior lip glow oil in the shade 001. Love this stuff, okay? It is worth the hype. It's worth each and every penny, okay? Listen to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop she in the bag. Fits real comfortable, just to give you guys an update on how much space we have. And then of course I have to pop my car key into my bag, and that fits comfortably as well. That is basically all I carry on like an everyday basis. My ID, a way to pay, cards, lip gloss, and my car key, and that's really all I have in my bag. So everything I need fits in here, and then I'll carry my phone in my hand. But just so you guys know, this mini size of the Dior saddle bag does not fit your phone. So if you are someone who likes to have your phone in your bag, I would definitely recommend to size up. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I purchased this bag, and I also purchased a scarf too. So I actually have 2 scarves like this. I have this one, and then I have like the signature Dior one. And when I got the signature Dior one, I just got it honestly just to get it at the time. I did a whole haul of like Dior items that I purchased, so I'll link that up above if you guys are new here, so you can check it out. But when I was in the store, the sales associate, like I was like, you know, I'm gonna get this bag, and she was like, do you want to get a scarf to go with it? So I always see that people wrap scarves around like the handle of their bag, and it basically helps to preserve the longevity of the handle of the bag. It helps protect it. So this is definitely something I want to look into doing on future luxury handbags. So when I was in the store, I asked the sales rep, like, can I record you wrapping my bag handle with the scarf? And she said yes. So I'll go ahead and pop that clip in here so you guys can see how it is done if you guys are interested in wrapping the handles of your designer bags.
We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. You like the way I feel, 'cause I get rough. You told me your new man don't make you miss a damn shame. You come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. On my mind.
So when I brought the bag home, as you guys saw in the unboxing clip, the scarf was on the handle of the bag, but I did wear this bag one time and the scarf didn't go with my outfit, so I took it off. But I do plan on wearing this bag with either of the scarves on or like the handle by itself, but I just have to be careful with the color overall, because you know, sometimes you get things on your hands and then you touch your bag. But whenever I do want to get this bag clean, I will drop her off to the leather spot. It's no problem. If you guys have been watching my channel for some time now, I told you guys I really wanted to invest in like a cream or a neutral colored luxury bag. So this is my new girl. I am super excited. An early birthday gift to myself, well deserved. I've been working so hard, and it's tourist season, so we finna act the freak up, and we did exactly that by dropping this much money on this bag, okay? So overall, do I think the Dior mini saddle bag is worth it? I do. To me, it's a perfect size. It fits exactly what I need it to fit, and it gets the job done. Do I plan on getting a bigger size in the bag? I don't think so. If I find one secondhand, I will pick it up, but I cannot see myself paying retail for any other Dior saddle bag. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. So that is my luxury unboxing. unboxing of my new handbag. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about my new girl on the block. Comment and let me know what you guys think we should name her. She's stunning, so definitely expect to see her out a lot, especially in my vlogs, because you guys know me. If I pay $3,500 for something, guess how many times I'm gonna wear it? You guessed correct, 3,500 times. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are considering purchasing a Dior saddle bag, if you guys were interested in seeing what can fit in a mini Dior saddle bag, or if you guys didn't even have this bag on your mind for purchasing, I'm letting you guys know that everybody needs a Dior saddle bag in their luxury collection. It's just a staple. Like, this is such a timeless piece. Absolutely love and absolutely recommend. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below so you guys can see more videos like this as I grow and expand my luxury collection with handbags, shoes, clothing items. Subscribe so you do not miss any of my new pickups. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you enjoy luxury unboxings, if you guys enjoy luxury detailed videos, comment down below and let me know. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Love you.
Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I wanna hear, 'cause you know it's gonna get me here. Every time I say that